Dirty energy like coal doesn't have a space sa future natin. And whether we like it or not, globally, it will phase out coal. Because the discourse on climate change and fossil fuel burning has reached a stage wherein the arguments for phasing out coal is already irrefutable. Kahit maraming nag-phase out ng coal sa buong mundo, merong mga bansa ang nananatili na despite all the transitions na nagaganap sa Europe, sa US, sa China, in Southeast Asia, governments, just like our previous administration, have embarked on a counter-flow trajectory. Meaning it has approved many coal-fired power plants, 27 projects. And that project alone, in the span of 6 years, is just the beginning. Because as we speak, there are many corporations still that are, planning to build new coal-fired power plants. The Philippines is blessed, fortunately, with a vast potential of renewables. Even the Department of Energy, in its studies, and yung tinatawag na National Renewable Energy Plan, accounts for 200,000 megawatts potential. The action today, globally and in the Philippines, is of utmost importance. At yung mindset natin ay importante ngayon para sa susunod na mga henerasyon.